ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 17-3 सत्वानुरूपा सर्वस्य सत्वानुरूपा सर्वस्य श्रद्धा भवति भारत। पदच्छेदे सत्व अनुरूपा सर्वस्य श्रद्धा भवति भारत। श्रद्धामयोऽयं पुरुषः यो यश्रद्धस्य एव सः। श्रद्धामयम् अयं पुरुषः यः यच्छ्रद्धः सः एव सः। वाक्यांशः विश्लेषण। I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, अन्ये समन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः। भारत श्रद्धा सर्वस्य सत्त्वानुरूपा भवति। अयं पुरुषः श्रद्धामयः भवति। यः यच्छ्रद्धः भवति सः सः एव भवति। अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यास। भारत सर्वस्य श्रद्धा सत्वानुरूपा भवति। भारत विशेषणम्। अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं सम्बोधनम् एकवचनं। भारत एड्जेक्टिव्, भारती फेमिनिन्। भरतस्य इदं भारतान् भरतवंशान् अधिकृत्य कृतो ग्रन्थः अण्, that is regarding the grantha belonging to or descended from Bharata. Bharatah, a descendant of Bharata, such as Viduraha, Sanjataharshaha, Munimaha Bharataha. Also Dhritarashtra, Arjuna, an inhabitant of Bharatavarsha or India, an actor, an epithet of the sun shining on the south of Meru, fire. Sarvasya, sarva, all, sarvanama. अत्र पुल्लिंगम नपुंसकलिंगम वा षष्ठी एकवचनम। श्रद्धा, श्रद्धा स्त्रीलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम। श्रद्धा ट्रस्ट, फेथ, बिलीफ, कॉन्फिडेंस, बिलीफ इन डिवाइन रेवलेशन, रिलीजियस फेथ। श्रद्धा वित्तम विधिश्चेति तृतयम तत्समागतम। अयति श्रद्धयोपेतो योगाच्चलितमानसः। भगवद गीता 6.37, 7.21, 17.3, this one. Sedatedness, composure of mind, intimacy, familiarity, respect, reverence, strong or vehement desire, etc. Sattvanurupa, Sattvanurupa विशेषणम्। अत्र स्त्रीलिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनं। सत्वम् अनु, सत्वानु द्वितीया तत्पुरुषः। सत्वानुरूपं यस्याः सा सत्वानुरूपा बहुब्रीहि। सत्वं सतः भावः, said to be masculine also in the first 10 senses. Being, existence, entity, nature, essence, natural character, inborn disposition. Achosht Satwan Nrupatischutasaha. Life, spirit, breath, vitality, principle of vitality. Udgatani va satvani babhuvuhu amanasvinam. Chitre nivesha parikalpita sattva yoga. So different meanings in different contexts. I have highlighted that meaning, natural character or inborn disposition. That I think seems to be the most appropriate meaning here. So my additional meaning, the subtle body of individual soul, linga shavira, gruhani vahi sat martyanam, ahur dehani panditaha, kalena viniyujjante, sattvamekam tu shashvatam. Anu, indeclinable, either used with nouns to form adverbial compounds or as a prefix to verbs and verbal derivatives, or as a separable preposition with accusative and regarded as a karma pravachaniya. This seems to be relevant here because I deciphered this compound satvanu as satvam anu, accusative. After, behind, along, after, paschat, सर्वे नारदमनु उपविशन्ति. प्रमदाम अनुसंस्थिता शुचा नृपति सन. Different examples of the use of word satvam, anu. आविर्भूत प्रथमंकुरा कंदलीश्चानुकच्छम अनुकच्छम. एक दो. Okay. Rupam. Roop ka. Roop is the dhatu. Ka bhave. Achva. Form, figure, appearance. Virupam rupavantam va pumanityeva bhunjate. Natural state or condition, nature, property, characteristics, essence, circumstances, opposite to time and place. Desham rupancha kalancha vyavahara vidhau sthitaha. And then overall sattvanurupa, according to one's inborn disposition or inherent character. Sarvakruchagatopi vanchati jana sattvanurupam phalam. According to one's means or wealth. Sattvanurupa हरणीकृत श्री भवति. भू धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं. भू सत्तायां, to exist, to become, to happen. भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी अकर्मकः सेट्. अयं पुरुषः श्रद्धामयः. अयम् इदं धिस् सर्वनाम. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. पुरुषः पुरुष पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. पुरुषः पुरि देहे शेते शी ड पुरुषोदरादित्वात्. पुर् अग्रगमने कुशन्. A male being, man. अर्थतः पुरुषो नारी, या नारी सार्थतः पुमान. Men, mankind, a member or representative of a generation, an officer, functionary, agent. Purusha, functionary. Okay. द्वौ पुरुषौ प्रमाणमस्य सा द्विपुरुषाशी. द्विपुरुषा और द्विपुरुषाशी, द्विपुरुषी परीक्षा. पुरातनं त्वां पुरुषं पुराविदः विदुः. Another meaning here is the seven divine or active principles of which the universe was formed. Teshamidam tu saptanam purushanam mahojasam. Shraddhamaya, Shraddhamaya, full of Shraddha. Visheshanam, atra pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Yat Shraddha, yaha, yaha yat Shraddha, yaha yat sarvanamo. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. यत् श्रद्धा विशेषणम. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. या श्रद्धा यस्य सः यत् श्रद्धाः बहुव्रीहि. सः सः एव. सः तत् हि सर्वनाम. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. एव अव्ययम ओनली. अन्वयार्थः ओवरऑल मीनिंग सत्वानुरूपा सर्वस्य श्रद्धा भवति भारत. The faith of each is in accordance with the nature, O Arjuna. Ayam Purusha Shraddhamaya. The man consists of his faith. Yaha ya Shraddha Saha eva Saha. As a man's faith is, so is he. Chando Visheshanam. Satvanurupa Sarvasya Ashrakshani. Pa Sarvasya Etesham Matraha Eka Dve Dve श्रद्धा भवति भारत अष्टरक्षाणि तिभार एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका श्रद्धामयोऽयं पुरुषो अष्टरक्षाणि यं पुरु एतेषां मात्राः यम इज टू पुरु 1 1 2 1 1 यो यश्रद्धः स एव सः अष्टरक्षाणि स एव एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका तृतीये पादे अपवादः अन्यथा अस्मिन् सप्तदशाध्याये तृतीये श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. स्वाध्याय notes of self study. In the previous shloka the mention was dehinam shraddha swabhavaja. Here the mention is sarvasya shraddha sattvanurupa. We can take it that sattvam is synonymous with Swabhava. Although reference to Ayam Purusha in this shloka seems to refer to humans, the word Sarvasya here is akin to Dehinam in the previous shloka. By more inclusive thought, we can take it that Yaha Yashraddha Saha Eva Saha, a man is as his faith is. This can be considered applicable to everything in the universe, not just to humans, not just to living beings, also everything. If we take Satyam to mean, Sattvam to mean elemental nature, we can interpret Ayam Purushaha Shraddhamayaha as everything is full of its elemental nature. Water in the ocean is oceanic all through, right? Loyalty to the master is the elemental nature, such potential Shraddha of all dogs. When accepting that all water in the ocean is oceanic, question comes, who made it so? The only plausible answer is, it is his doing. भूमिरापोनलो वायुः मनो बुद्धिरेव च अहंकार इति यं मे भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा 7-4. Apaha, all waters are his doing, his prakriti. Not just apaha, everything of the eightfold prakriti, bhumirapo nalo vayu, etc. all that. Accepting this most reverentially is Shraddha. Let us become Tat Shraddha, holding faith in him in high esteem. This Gita Abhyasa is study for learning Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padachhedaha, Vakyamshaha Vishleshanam, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Vishleshanam. As studying Gita, this study details Anvayarthaha, syntactical meaning, and Swadhyaya, that is, notes of self-study, wherein deeper meaning, figures of speech if any, other relevant quotes, including verses from other chapters, are taken note of by way of connecting the dots. This study is Swanta Sukhaya, for self-contentedness. Glad to share, the text can be downloaded, read and downloaded from my updated blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamastu.